Hi everyone, it's Artis from Carmen Construction Limited. Today we're going to review this little generator, power generator. So I bought it, as you can see, I'm in the middle of nowhere. So I need a power source. So I thought I will get one myself. The reason being I got this one is because it's quite light. So that was the main reason. Here's the unit itself. Here's the unit itself. To start with, that's the box it came in. You got your oil, which you need to add. So the oil is 10V30. Then you got your instruction manuals and a funnel to put oil in. Keep that, don't throw that out. Then you got cables, all sort of adapters. So with this model, what I had, the first thing you're gonna have to do is unscrew these screws, which we can do now. So you pull the lid off. Here we go. So you undo this dipstick. And you can see my oil is full to the thread, so that's why I'd suggest you to fill to, which basically was this, half a litre of oil. So with this model you're gonna have to change oil every 50 to 100 hours depending on the usage. You just can check the oil consistency and the color. The darker the oil, the worse. So once you fill your oil up, that's done. Then I have done it. I have obviously tried it a little bit to use before I share with you my thoughts. So here, that's how it comes. It comes with all these labels. It shows what oil to use, what not to do. Read instructions, obviously on how to operate it. Use it away from home, obviously. It's only for outside. So to start the generator, what you're gonna have to do is obviously also add the fuel, your normal pump fuel, no E85. So you're gonna have to turn this knob onto on. Then you got to pull the choke. You have to set this knob onto on position and pull it. So let's turn around. So this is your kill switch and this is to turn on, mostly. So you got two outlets to do your 240 or 230. And you got like another outlet which is like a cigarette light outlet. And then you got obviously your indicators for your oil, etc. So the good thing with these is that you can have them running parallel, as you can see in a box. You have to sort of put them together to generate more power if needed. For me, I went by, because of its weight, it's only 17.6 kilos, so it's easy to move on your own. And there are obviously bigger generators, cheaper ones, but this good size, I chose to have this because now and again, as you can see, I'm middle of nowhere. I need the power, so this is a good way of getting it. Charge my batteries. So the consumption in eco mode supposedly is a tank of fuel, which is 5 liters, I believe, to 10 hours ish. So technically on a tank you should be doing a day. So yeah, I just thought I'd share this with you. I just literally got it myself. The main thing, don't forget, is to fill up oil. Saying that, I did fill it not all the way up and it wouldn't start, so I guess that is good. It's got a built-in, some sort of built-in safety device that wouldn't let it work without enough oil. Yeah, so that was just my mistake, because I didn't read and was rushing. So please do read instructions so it don't cause trouble. Luckily it didn't cause any trouble to me, it just wouldn't start. So I thought, you know, then I actually read instructions and they said, yeah, how much oil you need to put, which is, you need to put all this in. So all this which comes with it, which is half a litre. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll catch up with you in our next video.